Hello friends, welcome to Mini's Taste Buds. As you all know that Christmas is round the corner, I'll be showing you all some of the decorations or arrangements, how it has to be done on the dining table, your garden, your bedroom, your living room, and from where all you can purchase these things. So, a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year in advance. This can be used for your dining table, a very beautiful thing. This is the cushion which can be used. These are all the decorations for the table. Merry Christmas cushion, Santa Claus, snowman, and a variety of things. These are the plates. They have got the golden color ones. This arrangement is the golden and the red color ones. The tray. These are the mats, Santa Claus mats. This is the breakfast set, a very beautiful one. The red plate, and this is the napkin holder, a very beautiful one, Santa Claus. That's the kitchen set. The teacup, saucers, bowls. The red candles which can be used on your dining table. It'll look very pretty, very beautiful, very attractive. These are the Christmas decorations, Christmas tree decorations actually. So you'll have got a variety of things over here. Just have a look and then buy all the attractive things and decorate your Christmas tree. Beautiful decorations. This is also available on Amazon, or you can try it on IKEA online. You will get variety of things over there. If you are in Dubai, you can buy it from Home Center or from Carrefour. There are many outlets where they sell these Christmas decorations. All beautiful things are there, and this Christmas tree is decorated very beautifully. Just an idea to show you all how a tree is being decorated. I know you all know how to decorate it, but just a small effort from my side. This can be used, keep it on the table, center table or the sides, and you can light a candle in between. These two is for the same, for the table. Looks very pretty when a light candle is there. This is a table arrangement. You can just have a look, and you can arrange your table in this way as well. It looks very pretty. Amazing setup for lunch or dinner. This is a candle holder. You can remove it and keep it at the center table or corners. It has got 4 candles. Pretty beautiful. You got the smaller version also, the bigger one or the smaller one. This decorations can be used on the doors and the dining table as well. You got a beautiful star over here. It can be hung, and moreover, it's actually a candle holder. You got a candle which can be burnt over here. It looks very pretty. See the candle holder over here. These Christmas trees are also for the dining table. Looks very pretty when arranged. These are all the decorations. These are the lanterns which can be hung in your garden. You can place a candle inside. These are the bigger ones. They look really pretty when hung in the garden. It can be also hung in your bedroom, dining room, anyway in the corner of your house, corner of the room, not house, corner of the room. The theme over here is white. You can see how beautifully the table has been decorated. So you all can also try it at home. This is the curtain decoration. Can be decorated in this way. Looks very beautiful with all the lightings on. This is actually to keep cake on this. They have arranged it one after the other just for the display sake. Looks very beautiful. Candle stands, the plates. This is the tissue. The way they have arranged it. Very proper, very good. This is the Christmas decor for your garden. Very beautifully arranged. These arrangements can be done in your balcony also, your terrace also, your garden. It looks really adorable. I hope you all have liked this video, and those who are watching my channel for the first time, like, share, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to press the bell icon also to be notified immediately. Jai Hind.